When Friday comes, you hit the door running for the weekend and you leave work. Do you take the practices and principles that you use and just kind of dump them, just leave them behind and don't use them for the weekend? Listen, lean manufacturing, we can use those practices and those principles in our daily life and outside of work. So when I started running, let me tell you the secret. I wanted to start running, but I understood there's the 8 wastes when we talk about waste in any process or any system. One of those wastes that I identified on my body was extra weight. Yes, I've taken about 50 pounds off in the past 2 years when I first started running. But before that, I wanted to focus on one thing. I understood there was too much weight on me. I needed to take that off. That was not bringing value to my body for any system that's working in my body, but especially when it comes to running. I started walking and walking religiously every single day. As many steps as I could get in because I wanted to be able to burn those calories, and walking was one of the best ways to do that. When I started to do that, I saw quick changes. Now, initially, the first month or two, you may not see it right away, but it's consistent and it's going to work. And I'm telling you, that is a waste. Why? Because the extra weight, it's not doing any work for us. It's not bringing any value. If I'm going to start running, I'm going to see that it is going to be a slog. It is going to feel like I'm running in concrete or mud, right? Not good for me at all. Secondly, it's going to hurt my knees and the rest of my body. And then I'm going to blame it on, I just cannot run. I'm not made for running. My knees are bad. I'm just not going to be able to do it. You're going to blame it on running. Start with walking. The one thing, walk, walk, walk. Lean the system first before you get to anything else. The only additional thing that I would add is say, get some good walking or running shoes. Okay? You don't want to be walking in sandals, flip-flops. Make sure you have good support. But other than that, walk, walk, walk. Lean that system first. Then we can start to go into the more advanced things, talking about VO2 max and pacing and distance and all that when it comes to running. But like anything, let's start walking first. Let's lean the system. Then we can build on a good system, a good process. Once it's leaned and we've removed the waste that we know needs to be removed. Consistency works every time.